Welcome back. Tuesday is the last day of Carnival 2013. Faithfuls will observe Ash Wednesday as commencement of Lenten season. The Catholics will observe the Lenten season for 40 days of suffering by Jesus Christ. Here are some glimpses of Carnival celebration in Kursade and Ponda. Have a look. Now news from sports. Geno Sports Awards for 2011-2012 have been declared. Francis Fernandes of Vargaonkar Football Club has been adjudged as the best male player, while national level athlete Tanvi Vargaonkar is the best female player of the year. The Best Team of the Year award has been bagged by Goa's diving team. The Geno Sports Awards, instituted by Geno Pharmaceuticals, have been completed 17 years. The awards ceremony has been organized in association with Sports Journalists Association of Goa.
The awards were declared by Chairman and Managing Director of Geno Pharmaceuticals, Dilip Salgaonkar, during a press conference on Tuesday morning.
Well, the recipients of awards are as follows. Best Sportsperson Male is Francis Fernandes. He is a football player. Best Sportsperson Female is Miss Tanvi Vargaonkar. She is an athlete. Best Team is a Goa diving team. Best Coach is Mr. Sivaswamy, who is chess coach. And we have two awards for upcoming players, one male, one female. For male, it is Master Wesley Rosario, who is a table tennis player, and for female, it is Miss Anura Prabhudesai in badminton. You know that two of our personality associated with the sports, they were invited to attend the London Olympics. One was Nara Thakur in badminton, and Lenny Degama boxing, and Alan Sequeira was motocross rider. Nara Thakur and Lenny Degama, they attended the London Olympics, and we decided to felicitate them taking this opportunity of this award function, and so also is Alan Sequeira of motocross rider. These are the awards for the year 2011 and 12. Sharad rightly mentioned, function is scheduled to be held on Friday 15th at Hotel Mandovi at 11. CM Chief Minister Manor Parikar is the chief guest, and we are also invited our Honorable Sports Minister Tabadkar.
Our video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Panji for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa, or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.